We love our Samsung French door bottom freezer refrigerator. It has water dispensing, an option for cubed ice, crushed ice. Press this, the light comes on right there. 3 seconds to turn it off. There's the Samsung logo. This is one of the doors. Ice maker. Adjustable shelves. It is very, very roomy. These shelves can go in. Let me show you. Like this. So you can put like longer items. We love this Cool Select pantry. You can set your temperature there, drawers. Also, you can set your humidity here, humidity there. Oh, another thing I wanted to show you was this is the camera. When you close it, you can actually, there's an option for you to, if you knock 3 times, it will show you what's in your fridge like that. Isn't that such an awesome feature? I love it. And the screen will turn off on its own. There's a button right here where you can turn on and off the screen. So if you don't really need it, you can turn it off to consume energy. I'll turn it on. It has a camera right here, which is a motion sensor. So if you walk by it, the screen will turn on for you. And then you can set all this up for yourself. You can have a mic on, that's applications. You can play your YouTube, you can actually order things from this. This is just by default. But you can also, this is where you manage your fridge temperature. And it's the calendar. It's very, very convenient. This is the bottom freezer, which has this drawer. Very, very roomy. And then this drawer. Show it to you from this side. Super, super convenient.